Hello, I'm Greg Muha, Director of Conferences, Exhibits, and Sponsorships at AMP. Next March, the world of materials protection is coming to AMP's hometown, Houston, Texas. From March 15th to March 19th, join thousands of corrosion and coatings professionals, industry leaders, and innovators for the AMP Annual Conference and Expo. This is where groundbreaking research meets real-world solutions. With over 600 hours of sessions featuring peer-reviewed papers, hands-on demonstrations, and the latest best practices and technologies from around the globe. You'll leave with strategies you can put to work immediately when you return home. And it's all happening in Houston, the energy capital of the world. It's home to AMP's global headquarters, and it's a city that knows how to host a conference. From award-winning restaurants to world-class museums and a vibrant downtown to explore, you'll find plenty to enjoy while you're with us. We're excited to announce that advance registration is now open. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your spot while taking advantage of our advanced registration discount pricing. It's 5 days of learning, networking, and business opportunities that provide tremendous value you won't find anywhere else. The countdown is on for the 2026 AMP Annual Conference and Expo. Don't miss this once-a-year opportunity to make connections and advance your professional knowledge. Register today for the best rates on hotels and travel plans and be a part of the event that drives our industry forward. We can't wait to see you and welcome you to our hometown of Houston, Texas.